Okay, after menu we have landing. Let's select this ID and style for it. Styling menu has been done. Let's work with landing and parentheses. I think this is calabases. Okay, at first, okay, we just want little bit of margin at the left and top. Okay, so just write a function at the rate Mixins container. I think this we don't need because we are not going to pass any parameter here. Width will be 80% and margin left will be 10%. Make sure this width is 80%, mean it has 20% width left. Total is 100%. If you subtract 80 from 100, 20 will be left, and 20 from 20, if you divide it into 2, then it will be 10. 10% on left and 10% on right. That is the margin we are going to add. Okay, container, that's all. Save it. Once again reload the page. You see we have added space on the left and right side. Okay, let's work with landing header. Just copy this class name and paste it below here, not below, this should be inside here because this support nesting. Style for h2 and style will be include font style at the rate include font style. What was the parameter of font style? It was font family, font size and line height. Okay, font family will be heading, font size will be 4.5 rem. You can use pixel, but rem is more responsive than pixel. Okay, 3.5 rem. Save, and below this we will add some padding. Okay, padding to rem. This is top and this is left, this is bottom and this is right. Okay, all of them we on 0 except this top 2 rem. Okay, now style for our p tag inside this landing header. Let's see where it is. Landing header, we have a p tag p. Oh yeah, I'm making this mistake again and again. Just copy this include function because here we also want to style our font, but this one will be body text. Let's see what is the variable body text and paste it here. So it will not rem and 0. We don't want any line heading. Perfect. You see this looking perfect, but I think this text should be changed. Okay, you can change it by yourself.